What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassie Jackson and you are watching The Vintage Thimble. I'm so glad you could join me today for our second Thimble Talk Thursday. So this is episode or volume number 2 of Thimble Talk Thursdays, and it just happens as fate would go that I have something pretty cool to share with you today. As the title says, I bought a pair of Edwardian style Oxford shoes. These are from the American Duchess company. I'm sure you guys have heard of them. If you haven't, you should definitely check them out. Now, I've never seen any of their product. Well, I have one of their books. You saw that in my Christmas haul, right? So I do have one of the American Duchess books, but I've never seen one of their products in the form of a shoe. And so this is going to be really cool. I've only watched online reviews, other people's unboxings. This is my first time seeing them up close and personal, and I am sharing it with you today for Thimble Talk Thursday number 2. All right, we're going to open the box now. Let's take a look. So here is the package that came in today, and I have a pretty cool little story about this. So I ordered these shoes about 28 to 30 hours ago, and then they showed up at my door. That's right, in just over 24 hours, this pair of footwear traveled from Nevada area in the USA all the way up to Canada, made it through customs, past the border, and the DHL courier brought it right to my door, and I had this thing in like one day during a worldwide pandemic. I am telling you, I am blown away. So anyways, I don't normally necessarily worry about promoting a shipping company, but I gotta say, this was DHL, and well done guys. I was really blown away with how fast that service was. So there we go. So there's my story. I ordered something and I got it so fast I could hardly even believe it. So here's my package. It's coming. You can see I haven't even broken the tape. I truly have waited to share this moment with you guys. All right, so I'm just gonna put it to the table here so that I can just do this bit with the scissors. So I'm so excited. Okay, so here we go. Opening the box. Let me see if I can prop something up so you can see this better. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I just have it on like a little stool so that it's a little higher up for the camera, because I don't want to have to move the whole camera and everything. That's more work than it's worth to me. So anyways, here we go. As you can see, I'm opening the box. And let's see what we have here. That's the invoice. That's the invoice copy. It has return instructions on the back if needed or something. So that's nice and professional to find your paperwork right away when you open it. That's great. And here we go. It feels like Christmas here. Okay. All right, here we go. Look how pretty even the print on the box is. I love all the little design on it. That's beautiful. And now here we go. We can see it is the Londoner Cherry size 6. And now I'm gonna open it. So here for this part, I will turn to the side so you can watch with me here as we open this. All right, let's see. We have a card. Sorry, I need reading glasses. This is instructions on how to care for the leather soles. That's how to care for the leather shoe uppers. So we can read that a little bit later. Here they are. They come plastic wrapped in individually. And now I'm gonna open one of them. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. It's so perfect. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, let me put my box down and let me show you this a little more up close. So here she is, the Londoner, ladies size 6. Isn't that beautiful? I'll try and keep turning it here. There's the inside. And there's the back heel. There's the inside of the shoe. And there's the leather bottom there. My goodness, you guys, they are so gorgeous. So gorgeous. And I love that the cherry color is a little bit like more neutral. Like I know I'm gonna be able to match it with many things in my wardrobe, because the plan when purchasing these is that they're gonna become like my everyday go-to shoe, because they're just so beautiful. So there's the other shoe as well. Now hold them up so you can see them as a pair. Oh my goodness, they are so pretty. There they are. There's the Londoners in cherry, ladies size 6. And I'll just show you to one side. Let me see if I can adjust my grip here. So there they are to one side. And there's the back, the other way, and the bottoms. Guys, they are so beautiful. I am so excited about them. So next step, I'm gonna try them on. So the other thing I noticed is when you smell it, you can smell the genuine leather. It reminds me of when I used to get a new pair of ballet shoes as a kid, and I love to smell them when they're all like fresh and new like that. But honestly, guys, like the craftsmanship, would you call it, of like the leather and everything, it's super smooth and fine. The shoe has a great shape to it. I love the way the coloring is worked all over, like the way it goes along all the seams where all the dots are and everything. Like it's got a beautiful fade on it, and I just think they're gonna go with so much stuff. So they're really, really nice. So the other things that I noticed in the box here that I can show you, just move the paper out of the way, is the box also came with Yum Earth Organic Pops. So it came with a lollipop by this company here, if you can see that. And oh, my light's going out. And it also came with, this is actually really cool. This is a spare pair of lifts for the back of the shoe. So you know how when you buy any sort of shoe with the leather bottom and it's got your, you know, the heel part at the back, I believe it's called a heel lift. Well, look at that. They sent a second pair of heel lifts so that when this first time that it wears down, you can just replace it yourself at home, obviously. And I'm sure that the care card that came with it here outlines all the details on that as well. So that's really nice and generous. I think that's really impressive. So cool. I am just so excited and so glad I could share this with you guys. So this is a pretty cool way to do a Thimble Talk Thursday, don't you think? This one's kind of fun.